Good morning, everyone. Today is 17th of September 2021, Friday morning. Going to discuss further chapter in the revision part, that is our changing Earth. This chapter we had done earlier, and this is from the previous term. So, our changing Earth. Our changing Earth that we have So as we have 3 chapters to do for 20th, that is our changing Earth, inside our Earth, and growing up of boys and girls. So today I will explain 2 chapters. One is our changing Earth and second is inside our Earth. दोनों की फटाफट recapitulation हम लोग कर लेंगे, revision कर लेंगे. Our changing Earth means our Earth is not a constant. It is always being changing from one मतलब phase to another phase. इसके लिए हमारे जो है 2 factors हैं. One is indigenous or another is exogenic forces. Endogenic forces and exogenic forces. Endogenic forces कौन सी होती हैं? That is sudden force, earthquake, volcano, landslides. Exogenic force means external factor and internal factor. And endogenic forces कौन सी होती हैं? Interior means lava, molten magma, then they come into the form of a volcano, earthquake, and movement of the earth, lithosphere. That is endogenic. So exogenic factor are the external factor and endogenic factor are the internal factor. So earth movement are of dash types. कितने types की earth movement? कौन सी? Okay, what are endogenic forces? Endogenic means interior and exogenic means exterior. Name the agents which are responsible for exogenic forces, that are rivers. हाँ जी. Exogenic जो है, that is erosion and deposition of the external layer of lithosphere due to water, due to iceland, winds, rivers, ice, glaciers, or sea waves. So these are exogenic factors. So earthquake and volcano are the mass destruction over the surface of the earth. Is it true or false? Earthquake and volcano is going to give lot of destruction on the surface of earth. True. The word endogenic and exogenic is, or you can say, terminology for interior and exterior changing on the earth. True or false? True. Is it okay? It is true. So there are 4 types of waves. Earthquake waves. Is it true or false? How many types of waves? Name the waves. P waves, longitudinal waves, S waves, transverse, okay? Transverse waves and L waves are surface waves. So 3 types of waves are there, P, L and S. Okay. What is focus? Focus. A place in the crust. Focus क्या है? Earthquake में focus होता है. That is a place in the crust where the movement of a place in the earth where the movement of the earthquake start. It is known as you can say focus. What is epicenter? Epicenter. Anji, Shreya. Place on the surface above the focus. Place on the surface above the focus. Focus is in the interior and epicenter कहाँ है? On the surface. Upper surface. ये शायद मैंने सारा समझाया हुआ है. So you will be able to do. What are lithospheric plates? Lithospheric plates. Run. Hanji, the lithosphere broken up in the number of different fragmentation, that is called as the plates. Lithospheric plates. Okay. Major land reforms. Landforms are done due to the work of river. So can you tell how many you can say channels of the rivers are there? Phases of rivers are there? How many phases of rivers are there? बताइए बताइए फटाफट. भूल गया जितेश? रिवर के कितने लेवल्स होते हैं? फर्स्ट यंग, देन चाइल्डहुड, यंग एंड ओल्ड. ठीक है, करवाए थे. फर्स्ट फेज, सेकंड फेज एंड थर्ड फेज करवाया था. करवाया तो था, भूल गए हो. ऑन द ऑनलाइन कोड. एंड ऑक्सबो लेक्स. ऑक्सबो लेक क्या था? ऑक्सबो लेक क्या है? Cut out of meanders at the middle of the you can say river channel and separated from the main river course, that is called Oxbow Lake. Oxbow Lake क्या होती है? When due to the overcourse of time the main river is being cut from the river water is cut from the because of the deposits, and that creates the Oxbow Lake. Is it okay? So what is waterfall? Waterfall क्या है? Waterfall. Page number 15 पर देखिए. Running water on the river. When the river turn into the steep angle over a very hard rocks, slope down in the steep valley, that is called a waterfall. Waterfall क्या है? When the river turn and on the hard rock fall down, that is called a waterfall. Steep fall down, that is called waterfall. ये आ सकता है. ठीक है. There are thousands of small waterfall in the world. The highest waterfall, Angel waterfall in dash Venezuela in South America. Other waterfall is Niagara, located on the border of Canada and USA. ठीक है. And on the Victoria Fall on the border of Zambia and Zimbabwe in Africa. So these you have to learn for 1 mark question. Got it? Okay. Earthquake is measured with the dash machine. Earthquake is measured with the dash machine. Vanshika.
Seismograph.
Seismograph, yes. Underline this thing. The magnitude of earthquake is measured on dash. Richard scale, yes. Earthquake less than 2 can only be felt a very little. Is it true or false? True. But the earthquake above the 5 magnitude cause damage and the fall of the buildings. And 6 magnitude, higher magnitude are considered very strong, led to huge destruction on the due to earthquake. Is it true or false? Okay. Wind. What are mushroom rocks? Mushroom rocks. मशरूम रॉक्स क्या होती हैं? Active agent of erosion on the surface of the desert area, which eroded the material content of the, you can say, sand on the lower surface and upper part remain as it is, that create a mushroom type structure on the desert area, that sand dunes are being formed, and that are called mushroom rocks. Rocks in the shape of mushroom, because in the lower area the winds eroded the sands and upper area remain as it is, that take the and form the shape of mushroom. They are called mushroom rocks. Is it okay? Sand dunes क्या होते हैं? Sand dunes, when blowing of wind in the desert area and turning the hill of a mount, you can say sands from one area to another area, that are called as sand dunes. And their sand is very fine, light, and wind can carry over to the long distance. This can be asked in the true false term also. Okay? So when land is deposited in the large area, that is called loess. Large deposits of loess are found in dash. So यहाँ पर आपको सारे ये एक्सटेंसिव चैप्टर ही है आपका, इसमें टर्म्स ही आनी है, तो आपको टर्म्स की फॉर्म में ही आएगा. सी वेव्स, सी वेव्स आ गया. वर्क ऑफ सी वेव्स एक्सटर्नल एजेंट में. I know I am going to give all the points, only key points to you. ठीक है? Key points I am going to give you. Erosion and deposition of the sea waves. Erosion and deposition of the sea with on the coastal areas. Sea waves continuously striking on the rocks and cracks develop. वहां पर cracks आ जाते हैं. And the time they become larger, wider, hollow caves are formed, and they are called sea caves. जब पानी समुद्र का लगातार समुद्र के किनारे पर पड़ी हुई, यू कैन से रॉक्स के ऊपर स्ट्राइक करता रहता है, तो उसके अंदर होल्स हो जाते हैं, एंड दैट होल्स आर कंसिडर्ड टू बी एज अ सी केव्स. As the cavities come bigger, cavity means hole, hole उसका बड़ा होता चला जाता है, and the roof of the caves remain, thus they are called sea arches. Further erosion break down and roof also removed, only walls are left, then these features are called stacks. ये टर्म्स आपको टर्म्स ही आएंगी. स्टैक्स क्या है, सी आर्च क्या है, और सी केव्स क्या है. इज इट ओके? देन sea cliff क्या है? Steep rocky coast rising on the vertical above the sea water is called a sea cliff. Sea waves deposit sediments along the seashore are known as beaches. Is it true or false? 4 points बनते हैं सी वाले points में. Sea work of the sea caves. Now glacier, last point, because I have to go with the second chapter also. River of ice is known as glacier. Is it true or false? Glacier carve out from the deep hollow, and the ice melting, they filled with the water and become the beautiful lake. Penguin Lake जो है ना लद्दाख में, that is an example of this type of. The material carried by the glacier, such as rocks, big or small sand and silt deposits. These deposits are called glacier moraines. Glacier moraine means glacier के साथ साथ sand, silt, rock material content जो उनके साथ carry होता है, that is called glacier moraine. Is it okay to everyone? इस चैप्टर में सिर्फ टर्म्स आनी है, क्वेश्चन आंसर्स नहीं आने हैं. ठीक है? टर्म्स हैं, क्वेश्चन आंसर्स हैं, और यू हैव टू मतलब properly then you have to do it. अगर कोई डाउट है, I'll give you 2 minutes, revise the things, and then we will discuss again. Please revise from your notebook. अगर कोई डाउट है तो please ask me, I'll explain. सायशा म्यूट करिए अपने आप को बेटा. हाँ जी, first question from the book, notebook. Why do the lithospheric plate moves? हाँ जी, revise this question in 1 minute. The lithospheric plates moves because of the movement of magma inside the earth, and these plates moves around very slowly. Lithospheric plates क्या होती हैं? The inside of the earth, the plates are there, different layers of the earth, plates are there, and they move slowly due to the magma, liquid magma pressure, heat and pressure, and that is called lithospheric. ठीक है, plates move. Is it okay? Learn कर लीजिए इसको 2 मिनट में. जानवी हो गया? हो गया? हो जाए, कर लोगे? कौन सुनाएगा? What do lithospheric plate move? Last, Vikram. Okay. Next आ जाता है what are endogenic and exogenic forces? Endogenic forces act interior of the earth. Exogenic forces work on the surface of earth. Endogenic forces, example is volcano and earthquake. Exogenic, weathering, erosion. 1 minute going to give you, revise it. Endogenic forces, interior of the earth. Exogenic forces, exterior of the earth, on the surface of the earth. जानवी ढींगरा हो गया? Done?
Yes.
सुनाइए फटाफट. जानवी, what are endogenic forces?
Endogenic forces, the forces which act in the interior of the earth are called endogenic forces. Example, volcanoes, earthquakes. Exogenic forces, the forces which work on the surface of earth are called exogenic forces. Example, weathering, erosion,
Very
etc.
good, very good. Now, how are flood plains formed? Flood plains कैसे बनते हैं? Flood plains river valley के कारण बनते हैं. When the river's water above the river bank is flooded over the flat surface, then the river banks flood plains are formed. अब देखिए words की form में, river overflow its bank leads to flooding of the neighboring areas. अपनी रिवर के आसपास, सपोज अगर मैंने ऐसे बताया था लोगों को कि रिवर जो है वो अपने चैनल पे चल रही है, जब वो उसका वाटर लेवल यहाँ से बढ़ जाता है, then it cause a overflowing. तो ये यहाँ पर जो है फैल जाता है वाटर, और यहाँ पर क्या हो जाता है? फ्लड प्लेन्स. ठीक है, रिवर ओवरफ्लो इट्स बैंक, river overflow its bank leads to flooding of a neighboring area. After the flood has receded, the layer of fine soil, जब पानी चला जाता है तो ऊपर आप, अब देखो आज बारिश हुई है, आप अगर आपके घर के बाहर जाके देखो तो आपको पानी के जहां जहां पानी पहले खत्म हो गया होगा ना, वहां आपको एक फाइन लेयर सी सैंड की दिख रही होगी. जहां पहले पानी चल रहा होगा, जब वो पानी उतर जाएगा आपको एक फाइन लेयर दिख रही होगी. सेम इज डन ऑन द रिवर फ्लड एरिया. बहुत पतली फ्लाइन एयर लेयर जो है वो बन जाती है, एंड दैट is a layer fine soil and other material deposited along with the bank, and that layer is very fertile for the agriculture. ठीक है, वो बहुत एग्रीकल्चर के लिए बेनिफिट हो. Is it okay? Can you learn this? Can you learn, beta? Hurry up. How are floodplain forms? Who will be going to answer? Javi. above the river bank. Okay. How are beaches formed? Beaches कैसे बनते हैं? अभी बताया मैंने. The sea, हाँ जी बेटा. हाँ जी. The sea waves deposits the sediments on the along with the seashore. Sea waves deposits the sediments on the seashore that are called formed beaches. Is it okay? हो जाएगा आदिति? Following term: erosion, sand dune, oxbow lake. Erosion क्या होता है? Erosion, weathering. Weathering होता है, weathering, bearing नहीं होता है. Weathering होता है. Weathering away of, you can say, landscape by the different agents, that is water and wind, that is called erosion. Okay. Next are the sand dunes. Sand dunes. Argun. Okay, small hill-like structure on the desert area is known as a sand dunes. Oxbow Lake. Oxbow Lake. When the meanders loop cut from the main river channel and form the Oxbow Lake. ठीक है? When the meanders loop cut off from the main river and form the lake is known as Oxbow Lake. Give reason. Some rocks have the shape of mushroom. Mushroom rocks can be seen in the desert. They have moreover base and wide top. उसका top जो है वो wide होता है, base जो होता है वो narrow होता है, and the wind erode the lower section more than the upper. That is why mushroom rocks are formed in the desert area. Then sea caves are turned into the stacks. किस तरह से sea waves caves जो है समुद्री गुफाएं, that is turned into stacks. When cavity in the sea caves become bigger, only the roof of the caves left over, then form sea arches. वहां sea arches बन गए. Due to the further erosion, breakdown of the roof, only the walls are left, that is turned into the sea stacks. Is it okay? हो जाएगा? Buildings collapse due to earthquake. Lithospheric plates move which cause vibration on the earth's surface. This is called earthquake, and earthquake has high intensity, cause damage to the almost everything as building and affecting the most big buildings are not the buildings of earthquake proof. हमारी जो buildings होती हैं वो ज्यादा earthquake proof नहीं होती हैं. As a result, buildings collapse and fall down due to earthquake. Is it okay? Any doubt to anyone? सारा चैप्टर मैंने अभी रिवाइज कर दिया. अभी 15 मिनट लगा के सारा चैप्टर लर्न कर लीजिए. ठीक है? Is it okay?